Hi guys, it's me. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the 2023 Axia 1 liter G. Got a black grille at the front. It has halogen headlights with reflective lens. This one doesn't have an LED lights, only the SE and advanced model. SE and advanced models does get the LED for daytime running lights on the fog light. It doesn't have front parking sensors. 14-inch wheel is standard in all the variants. Side buffer. This one doesn't have a colored door panel. Got the rear end. Now let's take a look of the inside. Got instrument cluster with no tachometer, just the speed limit and the semi LCD in it. Light indicator controls and wiper controls. Wow. Headlight adjustment and vehicle stability control at least is now standard in all variants. Got storage, cup holder, got standard radio head unit with Bluetooth at least, got storage areas and a power outlet. Cup holders, this one is DCVT only, this one is CVT only in this video. Central locking, a little bit of storage right next to the parking brake, just a little bit right there. Manual diving rearview mirror with the seatbelt reminder. Sun visor with driver's side gets the vanity mirror. The ergonomics is very good. So let's check out to the back. Same dimensions as the predecessor. It's a very good car actually. So I'm 170 cm, about 5'11". Knee room, I got very good knee room actually. Headroom, I got a very good headroom. I got about this much little bit knee room. You have a storage bucket on the front seat backs. There's window control and both storage area, bottle holder and speaker. On the G variant doesn't have grab handles. On this one, let's check out the boot. So the boot capacity is 266 liters with the seats up. It's been in a half a liters more with the seats up, and underneath it has a spare wheel. Nice. And full read on YouTube actually. So driver's seat and passenger seats are manual. Nicely sized glove box. Sun visor for the driver's passenger side gets the sun visor gets the passenger side, and the driver's side gets sun visor. Sorry. In conclusion, price of this model is 38,000 ringgit. And so then is my verdict of this car. I think you better shortlist of this vehicle if you want this model, if you like. So conclusion with me, this 2023 Axia is very good, but mediocre at the specification. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.